All right, so the easiest way to change the volume on your Windows computer is usually the physical volume keys. Each computer will look slightly different or have these in different places, but the main idea is the same. Tap the volume and it changes with a little indicator on your screen confirming the change. You can also change volume without using the keyboard. You can click the quick settings in the bottom right corner and then click and drag the volume slider. Or you don't even need to click. Just place the cursor on the volume slider and then use the scroll on your mouse or touchpad to scroll the slider and set your volume higher or lower. Another way to do this would be through the settings. Click the Start menu and go to Settings, or hold down the Windows key and press the letter I on your keyboard to open your settings. Then on the left, choose System, and within the System settings, we'll go to Sound. Click and drag the slider, and your volume will go up and down. And that's how you change the volume. As always, multiple ways to do the same thing, so feel free to use the one that feels easiest to you. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.